How to fix Supercell ID verification code not received in email in iPhone. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can fix your Supercell ID verification code not received in email on iPhone. So let us get started. First thing you'll want to do is make sure that you have a strong internet connection. You can simply head over to your control panel. You can turn on your airplane mode and turn it back off after a few seconds. Make sure that you're connected to your Wi-Fi, and if Wi-Fi is your problem, you can turn on your cellular data too. Now after you do that and make sure that you have a strong Wi-Fi connection, try again to get the verification code. Check your mail, and if that didn't work, head over to your settings, scroll down all the way and head over to your apps. After you're on apps, you will need to find the mail. Open up mail, and there you will see mail accounts. Go to mail account and make sure that you have added your account at the mail. Now you will need to make sure that you do receive your emails at the mail app. Now after you do so, you can scroll down. You can toggle on off some of these settings here and make sure that you are on the settings which will let you receive emails. After you do so, you can head back over here, and now what you'll need to do is you'll need to go to your settings. After you're on your settings, go to general, scroll down and you'll see transfer reset iPhone. You can reset all of your settings and you can go back. Now other thing that you might want to keep in mind is that you will need to turn off your VPN. So again, head over to your general, go to VPN management and device management. Now make sure that you do not have the VPN connected, and after you made that sure, you can simply go back and again try to log into your Supercell ID or whatever you've been trying to do. After doing all of that, you can simply go to your browser and search for Supercell support. Now after you head over to Supercell support, you can complain to them about this problem. So go to support, you can directly go to contact us, select this contact us option, and you will see having trouble, contact us. Now simply log into your Supercell ID and you can complain to them about this problem, and that should fix your problem guys. And that is all for this video too. Thanks for watching.